Hello guys, heartily welcome to our series Python programming languages series. In the series, our first video, introduction to Python programming language. Okay, uh, my motto is to teach you Python programming language as soon as possible, but quality is very important. I will maintain the standards or very quality which is needed for a BTech student or a degree student who can crack one software job. Okay, my motto is that I will teach you from basic, and I will think that you are the person, you don't know anything regarding programming language. Okay, now I will start the session. Listen carefully. If you have any doubt, once you revise the video, if it is a class, I use it to teach one more time, but it is a YouTube video, right? So I will teach important things two times, else I will teach once. If you have any doubt, if you doesn't got anything, you ping me in comments. I will explain you again in the comment any particular doubt, because every video is linked to next video. So watch this video perfectly and maintain notes. Dedicate, maintain notes is very important, and complete the homework. In upcoming classes, I will give the homework. It is a few classes, introduction classes, right? Here there is no homework. Okay, now introduction to Python programming language. Not only Python, this class is common for any language. Okay, for any language, what is meant by programming language, why we should learn this programming language, I will discuss these things in this video. If you are a new person, you watch it. If you know all the things, you can skip this video and you can go to the next video. Okay, maximum I will teach you all the things within 30 days. Okay, dedicate your time, and I will make sure that you will be perfect, and I will give some homework problems. Meanwhile, I will make the videos of the homework problem solutions also. You complete those also, you will be perfect. Okay, now coming to this, listen carefully. Listen, see, there are two persons. One is Ram, other is Chintu. Okay, now in olden days, wherever you go, in olden days, everything, for every work, for example, you think you want to do your mobile recharge, what you will do, you will go to a shop and you will buy a slip where there will be one code. Opening your mobile, you will send SMS to that mobile that I have done this recharge. They will recharge. And paying electricity bill, what you need to do, you will go to one photo some booth or electricity department office. From there you will pay. And for checking results, what you need to do, you need to purchase one newspaper, and by newspaper you need to check your results, and or you need to go to your college where you studied, and you need to ask your principal madam or teacher. They will check your results and they will send. And what if I want to send some letter, I need to go to post office. The post office people will take that letter, and they will send to where you want to send. This is a process. For everything, you are Ramu. Think you are Ramu. There is need of one person. He may be shopkeeper, he may be department person, he may be college person, he may be officer. Some person. There is need of some person. Right? There is need, right? But going the days, coming to present generation, the man has disappeared. Now it is replaced with a computer. Right? Now you will go for shop to recharge. You will do with your mobile, right? And you will go for electricity department people place to pay the electricity bill. You will pay online. For checking results, you will go to college. You will check online. To send a letter, you will use to post office. You will WhatsApp. Simply you will WhatsApp or you will use Gmail. They will send the letter. Right? Means the person here, Chintu. has disappeared. Now the Chintu is replaced with a computer. Computer. Right. Hoping you all people have got this. What happened? What happened? This Ramu is as it is, but the Chintu has disappeared with the name of computer. Right. This is the scenario where everything is getting technology, everything is replaced by technology. Now you think if you go to exam for your hall ticket generation, for your payment, all are using phone pay. Means there is one system, it will do your transactions. Everything where there is a human need is replaced with a computer. Now what the computer does, for example, think there is a human Chintu. You are telling Chintu to transfer 5,000 rupees to this phone number. What Chintu does, he will verify first Ramu. Is Ramu? Is Ramu or another person? How he will ask or how he will do? He will check his Aadhaar photo and his photo. By that, the Chintu takes the form and he will transfers the money. But computer, while doing sign up, it will take all the details of selfie photo, Aadhaar, everything. By entering all the thing, the computer will ask the Ramu to set a 4-digit pin. By the time next to Ramu gets, it will verify with the 4-digit pin. By that pin, he will send this 5,000 amount, some XYZ number. Right. Whatever the human doing here, the same work is doing by computer also. Means the human is replaced by computer. That is the thing which I want to convey. Now if the human is replaced by computer, whatever the thing you are telling, it is understandable by computer. But whatever the thing you are telling, it is understandable by computer. But how a computer understands? How a computer understands? To understand a computer, you need to tell the computer the things, whatever the things you want. Like I want to tell you that you want to send money, like that. All the things you want to tell. To tell the things, listen carefully. Ramu wants to communicate with Chintu like hi, hello. How you communicate? A language is needed. Similarly, to communicate with computer also, there is a need of language. To communicate with computer also, there is a need of language. Those languages are known as programming languages. Okay, those languages are known as programming languages. This is the need of learning programming language. To communicate with a computer, we need a language. So those languages are known as programming languages. What are the different types of languages available in this society? They are C, C++, Java, C#, Python, and there are many other languages. In these languages, C is a basic one, or we should not tell basic one. It is one of the remarkable language where it will make you to learn all the things in a disciplined way. If you are the person who are starting programming languages, then it is more advisable to start your journey with C. And today many people are starting with Python. Python also no issues. If you start with C, it will be more perfect. Okay, but starting with Python also no issues, because see, for example, you are the person who knows two languages. One is English, one is Telugu. Think you know these two languages. You want to convey how or how are you. In Telugu, some others in Telugu slang they will include some three words that will tell how are you. Here the meaning is same. The meaning, whatever the thing I want to convey, how are you? The meaning is same, but only letters changes. Here also some way, same way. In C, Python, the logics are same. If I want to tell, I need to log in, I need to create one. Say I want to create one login ID, password for a website. What the C language should do, it will check that username and password, whatever they are the user entering is same or not. What in Python does, Python also will do the same work, but the words are different. That's it. The logic or the motive to do the work is same. Only the thing language changes. That's it. Remaining everything is same. Okay. This is a difference between one language to another language. If you know one language perfectly, you can learn another language in less than 1 month. Okay. Less than 1 month. No. I think hope you all people got, and I am thinking that all you people know English. English. In English, what are the alphabets? Capital A to capital Z. Right. Sorry. In English, the alphabets are capital A to capital Z. Means, for example, if I need to form a word T, T-E-A-T, it is formed from these alphabets. T-E-A-T. T has some meaning. Those was given by those people who created this language. Similarly, for computer, whatever the language it is, C or C++ or Java, it has only two alphabets, that is 0 and 1, because computer is a machine. Example of the machine, in your home, fan is a machine. Tube light is also machine, right? What the fan knows, on or sorry, on means 1, off means 0, on or off. Tube light, on or off. If it is on, the fan should swing rounded way. If it is off, it should be silent. That's it, the fan knows. Tube light also 1 means the light should on, it should give brightness. 0 means simply keep quiet. For computer also, it knows only two things, that is 0 and 1. Whatever the thing you need to form, you will form from these two words. For understanding purpose, I am giving with an example. From this A to Z, you people formed a word hello, Hello. In computer language, the hello is formed like this way. Hello. Is it understandable? No, right? What is 0, 111, 0011? How can I remember this? Is it easy? No, it is not easy. In olden days, the people used to code in this way, like 011110 like that. After some days, this has been updated and they kept like question mark means H, at the rate means E, exclamatory means L. Now how to code hello? HELLO like that. In after some upgrades, they have tell hello. If you give hello, the computer will convert it to in this way. This is a process of translator, where you people will heard something like compiler or interpreter. What this will do, it will convert from hello to 0 ones. If you are a pure programmer, you need to do code in this language. Is it easy? We are humans, we won't do such hard work. Scientist has thought that if it is in such a way, so no one will learn this programming. So they upgraded to this way, and they upgraded to directly hello. Okay, if you tell hello, computer will understand in this way, it will get the meaning of hello. The programming has done very easy. In olden days, people used to code in this thing, zeros and ones. Later on, they coded in this way, but now the people are coding using directly English words. For human easiness, the scientist has developed some translators which will convert your understandable language to computer understandable language. What is that? Your understandable language means C, C++, Python, and Java. In these languages, we are going to learn Python. This is the introduction class. I told what is the need of programming language and why we should learn this programming language. The need is today the humans are replacing with computers. Day by day, the computers will come in all the situations. So we need to convey to computers to what to do and what is the thing we need to do. So to communicate with computers, we need a language. That language is known as programming language. Okay, I hope you people have got this. If you feel this video is nice or motivating you, you please ping me in comments, because if you share the things, I will get happy and I will feel motivated for next video, so that I will bring more videos faster. Or if there is any mistake, like you are telling wrong concept like that, or you are not getting this concept, elaborate this concept, I will do those things in upcoming videos, so that you ping me, hoping all the thing whichever I conveyed, you people got this. So a very good thank you. Dedicate your time. Don't listen every class. You will get the programming language. You believe me. You dedicate your 30 days to me. Okay. If you are the people who are free on the whole day, you complete watching more than 2 to 3 videos of my channel only one day, so that you will complete the language within 10 days or 15 days. Okay. Thank you for watching.